looks a lot fatter in this video.
Achoo, leave him alone. He's not fat. He's little lad. Aren't you, George?
This will go on to Sorcha's videos on Facebook. Tags.
Say hi.
Tagged, I tell you.
Elaine has a new phone. She's just trying to show off now.
Nokia Express Music.
I'm not sure that's called that. I think it's Nokia 350 or something like that.
350. Oh.
Or 3005.
Look at drunk Sorcha. Drunk Sorcha. Say your piece.
Oh.
Sorry, you get the video of him then.
But this is George.
We're having I was going to say threesome, but
Well, we might be tonight if George goes. George! Elaine, don't pull me fucking tongue. I swear to God.
Don't pull
George! Low, say low.
Oh, you're sitting on my arm, baby. Get off me. Oh, you're pinching me. Look.
Yeah, I can see it from here.
There.
Oh, yeah, I can see it from here. It's so...
Can you see that?
No.
Can you see that?
No. See the kitchen presses, though. Fridge. Got it.
Stay my hair. Stay to
you.
Stay to you. Gee bag.
George!
Din. Tattoo. Ow. We bring in and show you our plants that I bought for Sorcha, and she's never watered once.
Why aren't I show you numerous things I bought for Elaine, and yet she's never either used
Anyway,
or opened.
this is us when we were young and pretty.
I'm still young and pretty.
Debatable, baby.
Oh, George, just come on your dick. That's not good.
Oh, honey.
There is, though.
Stop that.